All right, this question is from exercise 4K, which is about the quotient rule. And we're taking this equation here, the x squared plus 2x all over the square root of x cubed plus 1, and we need to find the derivative of that. So in order to do that, we have to use the quotient rule, which I've conveniently already written right there. So just so we lay things out, my v is the square root of x cubed plus 1. My u is x squared plus 2x. So doing this would turn into x cubed plus 1 times the derivative du dx is 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 2, right, minus x squared plus 2x times, well, the derivative dv dx is going to be 1/2 times, 1/2 times x cubed plus 1 to the negative 1/2 times 3x squared. So that's 1/2 times 3x squared all over the square root of x cubed plus 1. All right, so working with this denominator, I have to figure out, and obviously this would be all over x cubed plus 1. All right, I just want to focus on the denominator, and then I will bring it all back together. So to make this denominator work, I have to get common denominators. So this has to be the same in both. So that would turn into the square root of x cubed plus 1, and times the square root of x cubed plus 1. So that makes my common denominator there. And then times 2x plus 2. And from that, I'm going to subtract 3/2 x squared plus 2x times x squared all over that same common denominator. Right. So if I just expand my brackets here, I would end up with x cubed plus 1, because multiplying those two together, times 2x plus 2 minus 3/2 x to the 4th plus 3x cubed. Sorry, minus 3x cubed. Okay. We're still in business here. Right, we're fine. Yep, okay, so this would turn into, and all of this over square root of x cubed plus 1. All right, working our way through this, we get 2x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus 2x plus 2. All of this is minus 3 halves x to the fourth minus 3x cubed. Right. Simplify, and then all that over x cubed plus 1 to the 1/2 power. All right, so let's see what we can cancel. So that'd be, you jerk, that'd be 1/4 x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 2x plus 2 all over x cubed plus 1 to the 1/2. So that's my new numerator. And just putting my old denominator in, which is x cubed plus 1, that would result in my answer being 1/4 x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 2x plus 2 all over x cubed plus 1 to the 3/2 power. Sorry, that's 1/2. Right. I believe that is as far as we can go. I hope that that is helpful. Typical me, I made a mistake. This right here, this 1/4 should be 1/2. I tried to work through, because this is 4/2 is what that 2 is. Then I subtract 3/2, I get 1/2. So I could rewrite this, instead of 1/4, this should be 1/2. And I mean, I guess if I don't want that 1/2 up there, I could rewrite this as x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus 4x plus 4 all over 2 to the x cubed plus 1 to the 3/2 power. Right, because if I just multiply everything on top by 2 and divide the numerator by 2, I get that. Hopefully that's better.